What's going on, fellers? I'm going to do a little different video. I just unboxed my new BMW M4. I'm going to be doing updates to it, or upgrades to it, and I just want to kind of go step by step. I'm not going to be doing it all in one video because, number one, I don't know how to stitch videos together, so I'll do it in a couple stages just so you can see what's going on. Right out of the box, I've run 15 laps with it already just to get familiar with it. This is, let me touch on tires, which is what we're going to do today. Carrera tires are absolutely rock hard, which makes for terrible traction. So I'm going to run a few laps just so you can see this, and then I'm going to just swap on the Paul gauge urethane tires just so you can see the difference. I'm assuming there's going to be a difference, there better be, between the rubber tires and the urethane. So, like I said, I'm just going to run a few laps. I want you to take pay attention to the corners, see how it slides, because it does slide since I've already done a few laps. This is also running 18 volts. Whoop. You can see right there. Doesn't like it. Well, I knew it wouldn't handle, but I figured I'd at least get a few laps out of it before I had to keep doing that. See if I can get one full lap here. Start with this thing is a pig. It really is. It handles absolutely terrible, and I can guarantee just swapping tires without even truing them, gluing them, whatever, is going to make a big difference. These are, like I said, the Paul gauge urethanes. We're just going to do a swap on here. Hopefully I can get them off without taking the body off. Oh, yes, these are definitely hard. These are not.
Do you want me to get closer?
Good tires. Not if you can get the whole thing here. And these should slip on pretty easy. Yeah, urethanes stretch a lot better than the rubber. Tight fit. Yeah, very stiff tires. These obviously are very soft. Seated. Okay. No other changes. Just swapping the tires. You can tell already it sounds quieter. Those hard tires really transfer noises. Definitely holds a lot better. A lot better. Okay. Obviously, tires made a huge difference. And that's with both magnets in it, which actually surprised me with the stock tires. With the mags in this thing shouldn't be sliding the way it did, let alone de-slide. This one still had a little slide, just changing the tires, which means it's going to be sliding quite a bit once the mags come out. So that's it for this video. I just wanted to show you just the difference between the urethanes. So next video will probably be, I'll have the mags out and the tires will be glued and trued, and we'll go from there just to see if we need any more. The motor is going to be changed. As anybody that's seen my videos, I change all my 124 motors out for 132nd videos. So that's going to be probably another video for the conversion of the motor. But that's it. Just it's a nice car. It just out of the box, it's terrible. Good one, guys.